10 lines on Independence Day. First, social, religious, and national festivals are celebrated in India. The Independence Day is our national festival. Second, it is the day on which we got our freedom from the British rule. India was a slave country. The English ruled over India for 200 years. Third, they left India with bag and baggage on 15 August 1947. We celebrate this day as the Independence Day every year. Fourth, being the capital of India, Delhi is the main place where this day is celebrated in a special way. Fifth, there is a holiday in schools, colleges, offices, and factories on this day. Sixth, our Prime Minister hoists the national flag at the Red Fort. Millions of people gathered there to see and hear the Prime Minister. Seventh, he delivers the speech to the nation. It is the guiding speech for the nation. Eighth, in the evening, all the state buildings in the capital are illuminated with electric bulbs. It is very beautiful scene. Ninth, we should take a vow on this day to be faithful, loyal, and devoted to our country. 10th, we should be ready to sacrifice everything for our country. Be bold, be proud, and stay safe. Proud to be Indian. Thanks for watching.